A simple yet delicious coconut rice dish. Welcome back guys to Team Menu channel. Today I'll be sharing with you this lovely meal, a recipe, and here are the ingredients. I have lemon, ginger, garlic, shrimp, oyster, two of these dried, and the protein fish. This is the main ingredient, and of course some egg already boiled and kept aside. Now we'll start by heating up the meat that we're going to be using. For this recipe, I'm using fish, mackerel fish. Added some spices to it and then set it to cook. Now I'm going to tell you a very little secret here. In case you don't know, lemon is a very beautiful taste bringer. I always add it to dishes like this, especially if I'm making a stock or whatever. Just keep following this channel guys, you're going to get to learn more of what I do with lemon in this kitchen. Now you squeeze out the lemon juice, don't forget to remove the seed, and you put it in there. I must tell you, it's so dope. It goes a long way to bring flavor in your food. Here is the coconut I'll be using. Check out the previous video to see how this coconut milk was extracted, because I'm going to be using that coconut milk in this rice dish. Now the fish is done. I just scoop it out, set it aside, and of course set the stock aside. Then I'm going to go ahead to prepare other ingredients, to blend it and set it going. Here I have just 2 pieces of tomato. Tomato is absolutely optional. Habanero pepper and the long chili pepper, that is tatashi, and ginger, garlic, and turmeric. Then I also blended together with all of them some onions. Onions is lovely. It tastes when you blend it all together. So I set it on. At the end of the day, I got a very lovely puree. Go on and chop the remaining onions and get ready to fry. Set a clean pot on fire, put some oil, put in the onions. Now I'm going to fry this fish. You can as well microwave or grill it, whichever one that you want. So I decided to use the frying method today. While the fish is on fire, I prepared the dried oyster and dried shrimp, as you can see, with hot water. I leave it for about 1 minute. Now this lovely protein is not to stay in the hot water for a long time. It's just for some few seconds. Okay, I drain it out and here it is waiting to be added. Here is the puree. I've already fried it. After I had fried the fish, I put in the stock. For some reason I had to turn off the fire because it was getting to almost burning, but God so kind, I saved it. Now you taste for salt and other ingredients. Now I'll also be adding the dried shrimp, which I had prepared earlier. So it's time to put water into it, but we're not going to be using normal water. We'll be using the coconut water or coconut milk for it rather. Guys, don't forget your nutmeg in dishes like this. It is very essential. So I'm grating in some, like half of it, into the pot. Click the link that pops up to see how I made this coconut milk. So you notice that the oyster is being added after the rice has cooked, and I'm stirring it in right now. It's just giving this combination as if I'm making rice and beans. Trust me, it's not rice and beans, it's all meat. Oyster is a very lovely seafood. Now, have you liked this video? Also share to people around so that they can get some lovely inspiration. Endeavor to subscribe. Give me a comment. I would love to hear it. Let me know what you think about this video. It is absolutely free. Don't forget to check how this lovely sumptuous coconut milk was prepared. It was made in this channel and the video is somewhere. Just check it out. Have you heard that the patient dog is the fattest bone? Now I'm going to share this secret ingredient with you all. I have scent leaf here and I have washed it, chopped it, and it's entering right into this pot. Now if you've noticed, this food have little or no artificial seasoning. What we're going to do is going to turn out so magical. Guys, trust me. There's a reason why you must watch till the end because the best is yet to come. The last part, I have the secret ingredient. Guess what it is? This is scent leaf. Not much of a secret though. And just like what I told you earlier, just like lemon is going to, I'm going to put it into the food and it will infuse into the meal and give it such a spectacular aftertaste. Please give this video a thumbs up, Joe. You know, easy. Are you feeling it? It's all happening. Yes, at Tea Menu. Boom! It's not over until it's over. This might be just that spectacular taste that you have been craving for. Guys, I must tell you, I have made coconut rice previously, but you see this particular recipe, it stands out.
Your green vegetable should be salted properly to be crunchy and green as this. Then you know it's set. So have you liked this video? It's time now for us to dish. Look at what we've made, guys. If you let me know what you think about this recipe and endeavor to try it out today because with Team Menu you won't miss road. Check out my previous video to see how I made this side drink. This accompaniment is what one. Until next time on Team Menu.